Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on convert. So right here, I'm going to convert from PDF to MS Word. So I'm going to go ahead and click on PDF to MS Word right here. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on add file right here. So go ahead and click on add file. Then I have my PDF file in desktop. So I'll go ahead and I'll go ahead and locate the file. Right here, I have the file right here. I will select the file, click on open, just like so. So I have the output format here to be MS Word. Then keep the original folder right here. Then convert method, basic, moderate, and advanced. I'm going to make sure I choose advanced. Then come down below right here. Go ahead and click on convert to Word. So just like so, PDF to Word file conversion has been completed. Go ahead and click on OK right here. Then here, you can go ahead and click on open the file right here. Then open file. Then go ahead and select Word document. Just once. Just like so. So you have the file open right here in MS Word. You can see it right here. It's that simple. So you can see it is an editable right here, which allow me to modify the text as the case may be. Just like what you see right here. I can modify the text. I can change the font style. I can change the color. I can highlight right here and go ahead and change the color right here. It's that simple. So this is how to convert from PDF file to MS Word editable file without any stress. To get this particular software, you can kindly check the description of this video, follow the link and download the software. Once you download the software, you can download the software on Windows PC, whether Windows 10 or Windows 11, or if you are using Mac, you can as well download the software. So once you download the software, then you can start edit your PDF file with this particular software right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use this particular software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.